Very warm greetings to everyone on behalf of Pharmadocx Consultants. Today I, Anmol Singh, will give you all information regarding various approvals and licenses which are required in order to manufacture, for sale or for distribution, hemodialysis solution, both Part A and Part B. I will also provide information for existing manufacturers of hemodialysis solution who hold license on Form 25 as per Drugs and Cosmetics. Before we start, we need to know what exactly is a hemodialysis solution. Hemodialysis is a medical treatment for patients with kidney failure. It involves filtering the patient's blood through a dialysis machine to remove waste and excess fluids. The solution used in the process of removal of waste and excess fluids is known as hemodialysis solution. It is also commonly known as dialysate or dialysis solution. Since many years, the permission to manufacture hemodialysis solution was given by State Food and Drug Administration on Form 25 as per Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Audit was conducted by a joint team comprising of both state drug inspectors and CDSCO officers. However, now hemodialysis solution no longer comes under Drugs and Cosmetics Act. The current manufacturers and people looking to start a venture into manufacturing of hemodialysis solution now have to take a license as per medical device rules on Form MD9. As per government notification dated 13th September 2021 regarding classification of medical devices pertaining to nephrology and renal care on serial number 31 under the title Hemodialysis Concentrate with generic intended use being intended to remove metabolic waste from the blood to help maintain physiological blood electrolyte and pH level while hemodialysis is performed. Hemodialysis concentrate by the means of above notification has been classified as a risk class C medical device. Now let's discuss about requirements for manufacture of class C medical devices. The license to manufacture is granted by CDSCO headquarters in Delhi. The license has to be applied on CDSCO portal. Audit is conducted by a team of medical device officers. State FDA plays no role in the process. A fire NOC and pollution NOC is to be furnished from respective departments in order to obtain a license on Form MD9. Industrial area is mandatory in order to set up a hemodialysis factory. 2 technical persons are required, each holding a degree in either B Pharma, B Tech, BSc, and having a minimum of 2 years of experience in manufacturing or testing of hemodialysis solution. Experience can only be shown from a company holding a license to manufacture hemodialysis solution on Form 25. The minimum area to meet requirements of Medical Device Rules and Drugs and Cosmetics Act is around 6,000 square feet. Clean room, which means puff panel partitions, air handling units need to be installed and validated. RO system needs to be installed in the premises along with requisite fittings for water circulation inside the premises. Now we will discuss about people already holding license to manufacture hemodialysis solution on Form 25 as per Drugs and Cosmetics Act. The license on Form 25 will no longer be renewed. The manufacturer has to obtain the license on Form MD9 prior to expiry of the license granted on Form 25. Audit for grant of license on MD5 will be conducted again. Government fee for the license is Rs 50,000 for license and Rs 1,000 per product. The license is granted for a period of 5 years and can be renewed. We at Pharmadocx Consultants have been providing consultation services to various firms in business of manufacturing medical devices of all categories as well as pharma companies for over 15 years. We have provided consultation services to over 200 pharma manufacturing plants and over 100 medical device companies. We can guide you in the entire process from designing of the layout as per Medical Device Rules 2017 and current GMP practices. We will guide you with relevant documents for the purpose of audit and also help you in getting your premises ready for audit by CDSCO officers. Feel free to contact in case of any queries on 99968592227 or at contact@pharmadocx.com to avail our consultation services. We wish you all a very good luck for your endeavors. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share.